Hey guys, welcome back to my hilarious comedy compilation video. On today's comedy, guess what? You're going to be seeing the best of the best that you've never ever seen before. Ibanga, Equatorial Guinea guy, was emulated in this video like so much. You're gonna laugh, right? Let's dive into this comedy. Let's go.
Easy for this era.
Bye. Where you go? Lap office, 3,000. 3,000. So what about you?
God have mercy upon us.
Okay. Yeah, now I come. I got my money now. Hope you carry me call lap office. But you go give me my money now. You go chill now. I borrow money. I go give you. No, I know if you calm down. Nah. Okay, how much I will give you? Now 3,000. If I get 3,000, I go see you for lap office.
I swear.
Yeah, you go give me my money. Back money, the carry person call lap office. They calm down you. You get patient. Wait.
What's the apple for there?
Security. I want your guy big.
Oga no deal. If you can't seek it, don't go office with them.
Oga, wahala go dey be that. You go give me my money. I go say you dey part of the Lapo people. I bet if you just borrow me small money to me, like give my bike man too.
Wetin be this?
I get document.
This one.
Come on. Oga, you go give me my money today.
You're gonna pay me or
give me
you
my
die.
money. My money na 3,000. Office, I beg. If you can't go pay office.
Just start. You never
I
said
said pay me my money, you dey talk
18.
company.
Let's get to 20. Come on. 19. Let's come on. Go. Let's go.
Nasty Black, are you going to do this? It's done. Otilo,
That's it.
he can't make it by going to heaven.
All right, everyone. Let's start.
Wetin be this?
Is this your
Power, see more like.
Oh,
the
God
guy
gave
has
you body
power.
when there's your own body.
I bet will you walk out of here? Walk out! You never see that. Wanna give her double? Jesus.
Next. This is God's creation. Heaven, please.
Straight up.
Hey, bro, make I call you back.
Papa, fire!
They go if I kick you. This guy is a mouse.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Is this real?
Yes, angel. Everything is natural.
Heaven, please. There's here. You, I don't see you before. Go, heaven.
Jesus.
Okay.
I hope you know I know your doctor.
So what?
Go and meet him here.
This cannot be real. Go to it.
Jesus Christ. Yes. Oh, sorry. Next. You walk out. Yes. Hey, fire. Nasty. You are close to 20. You can do it. Believe.
Don't try that rubbish.
When he has seen
Let me
everything
go
in
away.
the future,
Let me
when he
your
has
next
seen
target.
Allow me to enjoy my guy. Allow me to enjoy.
my guy, you have to enjoy yourself. Eat and get fat because food grab no dey make am to heaven at all. Straight to hellfire. So a nice one from Nasty
Fix me
Black.
something to eat. I'm hungry.
All power belongs to your able majesty. I bow before your throne.
When woman start to control man like this, I know they like, no, I'm not going to infest me with this kind of character for you. Which kind? I don't know. You didn't dress. Hey! For this, I beg.
Be fast, you know I'm hungry.
Yeah.
Are you seriously?
Make sure you add enough pepper. You know I like it spicy.
Bro, I don't understand. What is happening now?
Hello, babe. You won't believe what is happening. My boyfriend is literally doing everything I tell him to do.
Are you serious?
Guy, that Baba Cham they walk.
How do you know when you control like this? What's in the soul?
That's
I can
it.
literally tell him to wash my clothes, clean the house, go to the market, and he's doing everything. They bust my brain.
Answer me now. What's in the soul? Woman, they control you.
Hope you locked his friend too.
No.
You did not.
Are you sure? You mean I should lock the both of them?
You need to lock the friend.
Are you sure that's a good idea?
That one you open the eye.
Oh yeah, now I will do that. Thank you so much.
I'm a woman.
Boys, be careful. If you are in a place where they have a lot. In case you are in a place where you know that your friend is being controlled by his girlfriend. Just be careful, please, out there so that they will not lock you as well and your friend. Let's see this one Muslim talker.
Oh, here you go. Okay. Oh, here you go. I greet you, boss. That decoder na for sale? Na for sale, sir. How much? For shop na 50,000, but for road na 10,000. Would they do discount?
When you give 5,000.
5,000. I bring money.
Sam, what your account number?
I better go back 20.
I don't run now.
Oh, here you go. Thank you, boss. I appreciate. Thank you, my helper.
Be careful the way you buy things. Roadside things. God have mercy upon us. Don't have anywhere to go and return it. You don't have anybody to complain to. So you better know what you're doing.
Talking life in Port Harcourt, my got an experience. It's happening on the 10th of November, 2024. Venue is Arena Event Center, GRA Port Harcourt. Come and go Athletic in Port Harcourt. YB Collection at Location Junction, Lavera Hotel Alakahia, Fumen Boutique Pimpi Junction, and Raptor Page to Bunabale. Buy ticket. Okay, buy ticket. Buy ticket.
Hello?
Hello, who this?
Now the guy who said the code for now they call you. What's the show for here? No listen talk life in Port Harcourt. We happen on 10th of November.
Okay. 10th of November. Where they happen for Arena Event Center Port Harcourt. Where the ticket na 3K, 10K, 500K, and 1 million. Okay. I think clear a bit. Watch them. They attend the show. Leave him alone.
How can I leave him alone when it's because of him I bought this decoder? This man. Take time. Let's see the next one.
Sleep. See this girl. I don't see this girl since for years, and I like this girl, but I don't get mind to go talk to her.
Okay. I go advise me go follow and talk. There go.
Jesus!
Oh! You don't keep pressing now. I can't fire to your friend.
When go the rush advice?
Which one is?
Your husband.
He bang.
Wait.
How many times did I call you?
Are you sure? What's going on?
Equatorial Guinea.
Husband. Careful.
How are you? Why? You kept me outside, knocking since.
Oh, this side of the bedroom.
Okay, you're inside the bedroom.
Yes.
Okay. How are you doing?
Fine.
You know what? See, as a good and caring husband that I am, you know the cloth your mommy sent the picture the other day?
Yes.
This is the cloth.
Oh,
so,
thank you.
Exactly as she sent the picture, so I ordered it for her.
As I love you.
Don't mention.
Thank you.
So now you have to take it to her straight away now. You know, she has to use it. I think, is it not tomorrow or next tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow.
Yeah, so you have to take it to her now.
Okay.
No, now. No, just.
You mean now?
Yes, now. Be going. Don't worry. I know it's late before you get to mainland. No problem. So you can stay there. Stay with your mom. No problem. Tomorrow, so you can be coming back.
Why?
That's my babe. Yes. Alright, bye-bye. Alright, take care. Help me greet mom. Yes! I feel good.
Shameless man. And she didn't even bother that her man is inside, like her cheating boyfriend is inside. She's just going comfortably, and this one is coming with another woman. What is this? What do men and women want? So I think this thing happening is a natural thing for both men and women. So we just have to bear. I swear. You just have to bear.
I miss you so much.
See, I missed you more. See, hold on. Is this my wife? She has this kind of monitoring spirit. She always track me from here to there.
It's okay. Don't worry. You know I'm here now.
Yes.
This voice is familiar. I can't take a kiss.
I'm going to give you that Equatorial Guinea man style.
Equatorial Guinea man style.
What is that? Who is there?
Like this? Why did you put his hand like this?
Are you coming with anybody? Who is? Who?
Your wife.
Oh my God, to the toilet.
It don't bust.
Babe.
I forgot my bag.
Your bag.
Yes, where is it?
My wife in another man's.
Women silent. Call out.
What is this man doing in my toilet?
What is she doing here? What are you doing here?
You wife my
What
husband.
are you doing my
Wife my husband with you.
What are you doing with my wife? Will you shut up? You're in my house and you're shouting. What are you doing in my house? So you'll be sleeping with my wife? It is you who has been sleeping with my wife. Anyways, as in what? You are chopping my wife, I'm chopping your wife. Keep quiet. You're telling me to keep quiet in my house. It's like I see you are in love with him. In fact, you are going to follow him. I'm going alone.
No.
What do you mean no? It's like you're in love with him too. No. So you go with him.
No, I'm not going anywhere.
What do women want?
What do men want too?
Wait a minute.
This question is very hard to answer. This one no one follow. I say he's in love. This one no one follow. So why are you guys cheating on each other? Follow the man then and be alone with her forever. With him, I mean forever. But now you want to continue doing bad. This world is actually evil.
I got more check. And then they find you since where I did.
Which one be where you did? You don't know where you did.
Where my money? Never give me my money.
Organic make no business because of small money. You can. I know they town. I travel.
People guy want punish you. I say where you there? They carry my money. They run and they find you since where you there going?
I go London. I know the Nigeria. I go London. I just enter Manchester. Nah.
You go London, but your Nigerian number they go.
Oga, I beg. I know they hear you. Where network they worry for UK. Yeah. They where me at the network no good. I'll call you later.
Hello. Ah! I wallahi, if I catch you, Oga Motell, I go. I swear if I catch this guy. Hello, Motell, I bet say they call you.
Oga, if you no go fit pronounce my name, well, no they call like that. So what happen?
Tom, now that one you want tell me, after where my money, I dey find you since I never see you.
Oga, how much of me they call you where they shout for me? Like, what is the meaning of this one now? Oga, no make no business because of small money. In fact, as I dey talk to you, so I know they Nigeria. I travel out. I dey South Africa, Cape Town. I just dey enter.
Oh, you carry my money travel? But if I catch you, I go cut your leg, roast and give you chop. Let's see what you play.
Hey! Okay, which one be you go cut my leg, roast and give me chop? But I take no say me at the hungry self.
Who are you? Wait, I mean, want use the do comedy, Abi? No, well, I make I catch you.
Man, the quick vex.
This boy don't use me play.
Beg, I no go fit again. Now only me they owe. Federal government say, oh, who am I?
Jesus.
If I run, one night, if I run, where my money? You run, I go call you. Yeah. Where my money? Let me say they kept Nah.
I just the land. I just the land Nigeria. Nah.
Oh, you just the land. Nah, airport there.
If you look very well, you go see helicopter. Just look. Go and look. You go see.
Who they follow you laugh? They Chris. But for you. Where my money? Where my money? Did they owe you? Yes, sir. Thank God say Aboki. You get knife into the cost for the bringer. I get them for you. They is and cut to you. How much are they owe me, sir?
That means that you they owe yourself.
Stop your mouth. You don't owe me 16.5.
16.5, bros. You add interest.
No wonder not to use that to do anything.
He's asking if you had interest in play. This guy is serious.
Child!
Listen! This is not Denison, the Mackenzie guy.
Because I cheated on you. You left me to follow my friend that I also left because he cheated.
Whatever is so good.
Do you know him?
Dead body to surplus.
It's my friend.
Bro, what's up now? Come on, you know she's my girlfriend. You're not supposed to do this.
Oh God, she's your ex, not your current girlfriend. She's your ex.
And so whatever she's my ex, bro, you know I'm not supposed to do this now.
What are you saying?
I know she's my ex. I supposed to do this thing.
Did I follow her when you were?
No, this is wrong. I'm supposed to follow her. She's my girlfriend.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
It matters. Why you getting no.
Whatever is.
She's gone.
Hope you collected your own points. I collected 3 points now.
Shut
up! I thought that would stand.
Yes. You dey trust man where God create and regret.
God create and regret. What about you when God creates? And in fact, see, the both gender has something else.
You said you want to make it. Nobody in your family has made it, and you will not be the first to make it.
Father, save me. How mercy upon me, Father. Father, help me, Lord. I need you. Every chain against me.
Oh, God has sent helper to unloose.
Now, person that go tie like this, oh. You see, I don't know you, but now you are free.
You break everything.
You don't have future here. You don't have future.
Look at
Wait till concern me. Me self never make him now. We got that day.
Jesus.
Jesus!
Hey! Have you eaten?
Jesus.
We are going to eat. If you don't eat, I'll be angry.
You are mad.
This one is just on his own word, doing his own thing, like somebody that's supposed to.
I can't even sleep for night. I carry you for my mind.
I'm sorry.
Would have been a pass mark for you. Who is this one?
Papa? I don't think I can make it anymore.
No, Papa, don't say that, please.
Papa, you will not die. God, please. Don't let my father die. Papa, please take water.
Wait till you worry this one. Who will be this one?
Get out from that place. Come on. Let's go punish you, idiot. Yeah. This is my will. Yeah? It contains all my property. Yes. So, 90% for you.
Papa, what about me? Your first son.
Waiting this one they talk for you.
As I was saying, 10% for your dog. Since this idiot, what be this? I've decided to be homosexual. Yeah?
So sad.
Please calm down.
Stop crying.
Papa, please don't die. Please.
You have decided to kill my generation.
Child.
It shall not be well with you. I don't take. On no condition.
Yes,
No
Papa.
condition. Should you give this idiot anything? Anything.
Papa, sorry, no.
Because the day you give this boy anything, that day, I will lay a curse on you.
Calm down now.
When you find your husband,
Yes.
2 of you can go ahead to enjoy my
Papa, sorry.
property.
Papa!
There's nothing without you. There is something about you.
I don't know. So Papa will all his properties to you because I'm homosexual. Oh. If only Papa knew you were a lesbian.
Jesus.
Get off and get out from here.
I have nobody.
Some of you are just evil.
The dog can hold it.
Some of you are worse than Hitler.
Nobody. The dog cannot hold it. The dog cannot sell the property. The dog cannot use the property. That is why I just store everything. Cha.
You say you don't lose. Sure you want use your remaining 1K play or make I give you make the go house.
Ralph the comics now.
No verse, abeg. No verse.
Play on. Make I play on. Okay now. Oh yeah, take.
Shit!
Your money don't finish. Oh yeah. Have a nice day.
My leg.
Ah?
Why you got my leg? Why you got my leg? Why you got my leg?
I don't mind you. Instead of you to say that, you are bitter and angry because you lost that game. You are saying that girl match your leg. They don't match.
What is the position you went to run to my shrine like that? Papa, listen to me. Hey, keep quiet. You don't have my territory on my shrine today. Now you go listen to me. Huh? What's the problem?
Baba, listen to me. Any problem where the girls not fit solve, now the doors go solve them. Now me could change the bag. Baba, now me been do baby. The man with the shortest and the longest answer. Guess what? Now I won't come on me for market.
It's not possible.
People they use me, they run international transaction. Ever since they begin find out about Nala, my answer can't they die. Baba, do something, I beg. Do something.
Young man, what do you want me to do now?
Baba, help me wipe out Nala from the surface of the earth. Make my answer rain.
My son, you don't have a problem.
What happened?
My phone they ring. My son went there abroad. They call me on video call.
Are you serious? Yo, Papa.
Hello, Papa.
Papa, how you did that?
Hello, Papa. Since I use the money what they make from this my shrine, send you go abroad. You know they remember your father again. What did I do you, my pikin?
Papa, no be like that now. Papa, see, you know, see, this abroad no really easy as people they talk. In the past 2 days, I get work.
I'm not to hear you clearly. Where you there? See, come on here, church. Come on there, church.
Okay, Papa, okay. Hey, Papa, they hear me now?
I they hear you now. Talk to me.
Papa, I say, you never 2 days I get work for this UK where I did. But no worry, Papa, I go send the money now. Papa, tell me use my hands and send the money. I go paste you naira.
My pikin. He get my customer where they here. He saying get short as you go send the money to him so that he will give me naira.
Papa, I trust that person. Baba, listen to me. As I feel like last Nigerian election, the outcome don't clear for our eye. Bring the tea come as I clear. Papa, no worry. I go use Nala send you the money.
Not again.
Papa, no worry. Nala like online money transfer app. If you send money from UK, US and other part of Europe to Africa, Nigeria, they go receive them for their local currency. Baba, leave Nala, use my answer. What is wrong with you, young man? If I send the money through your account now, are you going to give me $20 or £20 bonus?
Very good.
Baba, as a man, they give bonus. You see? But if I send the money through Nala now and use the promo code Undoka, Nala is going to give you £20 or $20, depending on the currency or the country. All you need to do
you go take accounts. You go take
Play Store or Apple Store. Download the Nala app and start using it to do your transaction. Papa, please forget it. Check your account. I just sent you 500,000 naira.
Yeah! Sir! Wait, so fast?
Yes, now. Nala is very fast and reliable.
This is the best. You need the best. Let me fall.
I'll talk to you later.
Come. So, now when my pikin use the send money from me from abroad, now you say my wife from the surface of this earth.
God help me now that day.
Young man, before then, I will wipe you from the surface of this earth.
Baba, beg now.
Baba,
beg. Mama.
Baba, beg, no vex. No vex, forgive him. Now small beginning be.
Mommy.
Look at my face. Now your mama face at the look. I'm not going to come for you.
Ndoka, I don't dey warn you. I don't dey warn you. One day you go call me, my number no go go.
Call my mama. This time the mother actually showed up, but the mother won't even. I've been hearing from mama.
You sure say you go fit come hold this straight for me tomorrow? Mr. Dauda, why you doubting me now? I mean the Shopofo holding and raining. Baba, I believe you, but my name no be Dauda. My name na Wasiu.
Okay, Mr. Wasiu. Seal me to court if I no come hold down for your party tomorrow.
Baba, you sure? Oh yeah, wait, make I tell you one secret. Apart from say I dey hold drink, for this Lagos, I mean the cause hold on because nothing where I know they hold. Baba, you go hold on. No, they make shit they hold me. Last I go on they go.
You mean they go? The 1 million for the work don't enter.
Hello, Baba. Who are you? I beg you, no must scatter my party. Why pose hold the rain now?
Mr. Wasiu, no verse, I beg. I go soon they come. Now rain hold me for us.
You say what?
I say rain hold me for us. Rain hold me for us.
You are a very bad boy.
How can rain hold Babalawo me no fit come up for us? So, how are you going to hold the rain that is disturbing Wasiu? Let's see this one from Johnny Froch. Very hilarious and interesting. This is what you like.
If I take this journey easy, bet me in a lie. I don't charge my energy.
After my wanna give her Igbo, I shy you. She's just 21, but she's too late.
Hello, babe. I told you I'll call you back. Just chill.
She like a bong on.
Why are you crying?
What happened?
You can't see me? Of course I can see you. Why are you crying? That means you're dead too. I'm dead. How?
What's that? That motor buy him.
This
Oh, I think they shot her. Those arm robbers. Because I heard boom. But this comedy is somehow, this is not a comedy, it's a drama. It's like a short playlet. Honestly, it's like a short playlet. I really can't figure out the part in this
our wife.
But it's okay.
Nobody pass you as well to go. Yeah, you're good. I don't miss and well.
Papi.
Our wife.
Oh, see how you enjoy the food. But wait, I want to say something. You know, say I believe in only you fit tell me the truth.
Trust me. You know, I have a mobile zoku bondo.
Where you and my husband sleep for night?
Okay. That's why I not tell you. I thought you would do with fasting and prayer since yesterday. You know, so this year now our year of breakthrough and nothing will break. So they church yesterday, they kabash, they kaboot. But we'll see whether something will fall out. And as I can see now, blessing don't they come out already. So as I just they come now, you don't give me food to break my fasting.
Okay, oh, just say they tell me the truth at all.
I don't feel like for you now.
Enjoy your food, yeah?
Okay. Honey, please go and get my food for me.
As for you, there is no food for you in this house today.
What happened now?
You think I did not overhear your conversation with you and your side chick, that one that has a very big bum bum? Or don't I have a big bum bum?
Honey, when do you start to listen to my conversation?
You even promised that you're going to sleep over. So I've already used your friend as an example.
Rubbish, yo.
Now go see who they go, they cover all those your rubbish.
Jesus.
It is too late to cry when they heard this up. Like, he just heard everything and he's not even up. He just wanted to prevent himself, but at the end, he has already gone. Let's see this one. Come, brother Solo.
Who was that man that dropped you off? I'm asking you, who's the man that dropped you off? So it has gotten to the level where men now bring you to the house.
They
right?
play.
They play.
Fear women.
Who the Zuzu? Let's have it.
The woman actually, his wife sent him a huge amount of money. Don't tell me you are not in support of where she is going. Oh, money can do rubbish. Huh? The power of money is huge.
I have a bit of shaker. I have never touched those ones. I have the boost kabash. Yes. You get it? You are a
different type and different set of product. Naking product. Now me sponsor and go. So far you dey bring this kind of money. Go. Are you guys trying to say that money can solve so many problems like this?
Hell, my ride or die.
This evening you will die.
Yes. What is just hungry me now? Now food when they use Ajinomoto cook with better tiko. Oh God. Country don't spoil. Don't spoil.
Are you going to jump down from there? Let's see this one from Loudly. This one is a bomb.
See, we're very, very sorry. It's the traffic, not traffic.
Okay, doctor would like to see you.
Yeah, I am. Okay.
No. It's only your wife.
Olia, I beg you, take care of her for me.
Jesus! Hurry up, he's gone!
Work is done.
That person you get, he did turn that man. Just cut that out for me.
Equatoria Guinea Ibang, like this man has suffered. They are not using this man to train, using me to shoot different kind of comedy.
No, madam, I'm not this. I forgot to come.
Now the traffic.
Fuck you,
You have to be calming down, my friend. I'm going to introduce you to Jamaica real estate now. Be calming down.
You introduce me to Jamaica real estate. Come in, they make the payments. Brother Paul, my barrister employee me. You will calm down. When you do it, go about this thing. So I don't like all these guys settings.
Can you allow me read this thing before you sign your future out?
I want to sign my future. I don't know what I want to sign. I tell you.
Phil, hold on. You they calm down now.
Come, madam, I'm not the like this guy thing. If you want me to sign this thing, you go tell my barrister make you wait for me for outside. If you cannot wait for me for outside, I don't go sign now.
You can't meet that.
Wait for me for outside.
Please wait for him outside now, please. Please, I beg. Thank you.
Birds of identical plumage flocked together.
My friend, wait for me for outside.
What's going on here?
But now the work of lawyer now. So you no make mistake.
I'm not going to make mistake. I'm not be small again, madam. You dey guess so? I'm not a baby. I'm going to 40 years. You cannot control me.
Babe, I'm ready. You said you're going to
And at
be
the end of
here
the day,
soon.
you end
So
up
take your
making
time. Please, hurry up.
Don't worry. See, I am coming to you right now. I'm coming to pick you. Don't worry.
You've arrived at your destination.
Okay. Hello, baby, please. I'm here.
Okay, I'm coming downstairs.
I'll shacket trouser, like baggy trouser. This trouser is okay. It's very nice. And it's actually.
You are lucky today. Use the promo code Made in Ghana on 1xbet and get up to 300% bonus on your first deposit. Click the link in my bio.
Okay.
Hey! Women.
Let's go.
Baby, look at the time. You said you were...
I'm ready to go. Let's go. I'm ready.
Hey, when I'm paid, you man, and I used to miss us of watching.
Oh shit.
Babe, I forgot something. Shut up, your mouth! I'm coming. I'm coming.
Wait. Hey. I have it. Sit down.
Hey, this guy. You need to go, because if you go, it will be tomorrow that you're going to come back. It will be forever. Women are dressing up late, 5 and 6.
Daddy, you don't work himself for me. It's not correct. My teacher marked it wrong for me. Everything is not correct. I got 0.
Mark it. Your teacher said it's not correct.
No one is correct.
You say X, Y times this one I'm waiting. Y times Y 3. Now the same thing now. No.
See, Y raised power of 2
yes.
times Y raised power of 3.
Yes.
Equals Y raised power of 2 plus 3 equals Y raised power of 5.
Now the same thing. Now different formulas they want solve out for here. Now the same thing. Power raised to any power, now the same power and I raise. Me when I call solve so guys everything fake.
Yes, that's what she said.
You know no book. Oh Lord.
Okay, I'm not going to solve your whole work again because the way we tell you do it before for school. Now the same formula I use. I know they don't change education now. They don't change education soon now. They go come up from my front. So you go tell her for this and me do the work. You not tell her for this and you do the work. When I go down,
why the anger upon the child?
Tell me not try that nonsense. It should be don't let your father to do your assignment. Don't they worry him. Come on from my front, make I not leave you the scene. For the come appetite for my body.
You don't know book as big as you are.
Talk this guy will not just play at all. I'm not good at home and still go buy Gary again. See now, what's all this? They don't see better Gary again. Wow.
Don't tell me you're going to play.
Not play.
Chief.
Chief.
Waiting. No sharp. Come back. Nobody there, they pursue me. Come back. The time they happen now. That man when I stand for, when I sign, he don't die. He don't die. People they get after me now. I come here, man, hide for your ass. Go open door. Go open door for me. You say waiting. I say I can't hide for your house first now. My ass now is that. If you want hide, you know go somewhere like South Africa, you go Korea. You know how they did one. If you want go, you know. So now, mass you call the local. I not be your friend. Oh, na I'm not your friend.
No, escort me, escort you go to. I don't tell you make you sign. Now you sign because of your cancel race when you want to know. You got the wrong commerce. When Pablo wrong, go inside. So now my ass like Pablo wrong.
Hey, make sure these people now because I get problem.
Well, someone be like the wrong, go inside. So now my ass like wrong.
Open your door. Open your door.
Come beyond this one now.
Open your door. You can't bring soup, man. First eat because they're hungry.
No, but not be you won't come inside. No problem. Make a collect, make a collect the garden. Make fly now.
Fast.
You won't go inside.
Carry my bag now.
No, but you won't go inside. You don't see anywhere go now, my ass. Me when you just follow you go friend. I talk and say, no man, you be like who go die today or tomorrow.
Look at who they are who they are after. He's requesting to do.
I don't even know what I do with me.
You won't go lodge me? Why you dey lock all these things?
Not the inside you come. Come now, carry your bag go the present. I beg. Now inside you come.
70 years old. I regret signing.
I tell you, say that man people go die today or tomorrow, chief. Officer, carry on. When I tell them, say no sign for the man, people go die today or tomorrow. No, yeah, they won't come ask. Even you want chop my by piece.
So you're going to eat that about it?
I came to my set and not saw you. If I see you, hope you are ready for start because I know my right.
Wait a minute. See here. Let's watch this video. This one you dey call me.
Hey, Mama say me.
Night I go my 2K dollars. Where my brother money? 2K dollars.
Are you coming to my set and be talk to me earlier? My establishment. For your information, this is your brother. I've that going money. And there's nothing you can do.
Apa relax.
Do you know the last time I collect? 1984 January 1st. We're in 2024. You have been chopping my food for more than how many years now?
See, now you not get grace. Who talk that my brother Apollo, so now money na full. See, you go credit that money now.
Hey, you talk to me politely near Latiwe.
It dey cost you. So okay, let's take. Bear this one. Make you go fight.
Ivy! Imadega! What's the name, man? Can you imagine if you can watch your man talk to me anyhow?
Continue. Your brother that go my 2K dollars. Now why I bring my brother come make up fight for brother?
But what's your problem, you know? How can you come to Lagos and come in between us and walk when you don't have any property to sell?
I wonder.
Anyways, I will help you to pay. Come here, Canova.
222. Top your man. Don't be carry you call it. 222. 419. 322.
I must be 2K dollars to Naira.
3.6 million.
I do 700,000.
Really, nigga?
You might go for. You can't go for. I'm your beleta.
You dey owe me. You don't like boss. See, you see this one so. Now you say 100 miles and 2 months. Voila. Brother, you no sharp oh. He go sharp.
He go sharp. I thought he was going to send 3.2 million.
Jesus.
See keeper, see mumu.
70 years old man.
I can go straight to a few for there. Thank God.
Oh, go outside with immediate effect.
No. Go take keeper. Now you go take this one. No. Wait. Go take that one. No. Now you go take one. Take one.
Now me strike him.
Now me bring deal. Now 70-30. Just hold that one first. You understand? Now them play rubbish with me. I call you for the deal.
You suppose share am 50-50 now. Now me do the work. Now me turn them to yam and gari.
Hold your 30%. Come on, eye for my 70%.
I know they like this kind. This now ripping. How many powers I used to do this thing now? This now they like this kind. Next time first time on me now go make arrangement.
Gary will not even reach one painter.
You're not even concerned about the people's life. You're just concerned about the food they turned into. No, now. They can go strike you there. Let's don't talk. Let's see how so rock on this one.
Is it fine?
Yes, so you fine.
Yeah, I like it.
You like him?
Yeah.
Baby.
Yes.
See this car.
Okay.
Is it fine?
It's fine.
Me, I like it too.
Why are you now showing me?
Why am I not showing you? Why you show me your own? Come on, leave me. Show me.
Madam, stay away from me. Auntie, come out there. Don't my car be that. May no go take innocent person life.
Why can't go possession now you get her?
Now so they deceive our enemies now.
Let's hope they deceive our enemies now. Anything just see person, even the borrow car, village people. Sometimes no, it is not your village.
My brother.
Wow. You don't go to make for you disease. Are you hang clothes? That you hang clothes.
Not be me hang am, but this your chicken is looking so neat.
This chicken? This chicken are from GGM Farms. GGM Farms is the best agricultural company when it comes to the purchase of your broilers, your layers, frozen fish, frozen chicken, and even crate of eggs. Then get them. When it comes to investment plan, them dey there. If you get money where they use, put on their packages are the best.
That is for who has money.
Okay. That's two chicken from GGM Farms. See him here. See him.
Young man, you are under arrest for stealing 2 chicken from GGM Farms. Please, can you move it?
Officer, move this man.
So na thief is the thief for this
Move
company.
it.
It's gonna stingy with this thing.
I said you are under arrest for stealing 2 chicken from GGM Farms. Please, can you move it?
Move it. Please, can you hold this for me? Stand up.
Let's go.
Move it.
And you guys didn't collect it from that guy. This is a great day for him. Don't tell me you're gonna return it.
You get it?
What's my one job now?
Eat. The Lord has done it finally.
He defeat the mood.
Finally.
He the match.
I know that a lot of things going through your heart like this, like, I will so much eat this chicken.
They go define by when they go unlucky. The street is not for the corny.
Babe, what's up now?
I'm fine, good evening.
Yeah, good evening. This one you come my side. I just say you know come my side again now.
Okay, I'm sorry about what happened the last time. Like, I actually did not mean it that way, honestly. I'm sorry, and I want us to come back again. Like, our 2 years relationship cannot just go like that. I'm really sorry about what happened the last time. I actually did not mean it that way.
It's okay. So, so basically, what are you saying now?
I want us to come back together again. I'm sorry, like, I was just carried away by my emotions. Like, I'm sorry. I missed you.
That's a good thing. I miss you as well. Rihanna, come and give me a welcome back.
Okay.
So how have you been now?
I'm fine. And I got your favorite.
My favorite?
Yeah.
What's that now?
Don't tell me pepper soup. Don't tell me
A pepper soup?
This is your favorite now.
No, I don't really like pepper soup again. No.
Really? It's got me pepper soup we're talking about here.
I don't like pepper soup again this period.
Rukky, since when now? I thought this is what I usually make for you when. What do you mean?
No, but I don't really like pepper soup again.
Why?
I don't like pepper soup again this period. My doctor say not very good for my health. Because of my health.
Rukky, this is heartbreaking now. How would I go to the market to make pepper soup for you and here you are telling me you won't eat?
No, but my doctor say not good for my health now.
So are you rejecting my food?
I'm beside the rejecter, but my doctor say not good for my health.
Why? It doesn't make sense.
Well, if you still chop palm now, just that my doctor said pepper soup, I'm allergic to pepper soup.
Why are you angry?
Are you trying to reject my food or something?
I know they reject now, but my doctor say man, I know they chop pepper soup now.
Okay, you can't do this to me now. Or just tell me that you've not forgiven me.
I've forgiven you, but I don't want to chop pepper soup.
So what are we going to do with this?
You chop palm now. Are you prepared now? You chop it now.
Are you for real?
You chop palm now. So I don't want to chop pepper soup now.
Rukky, you must eat this food because you cannot let my effort be wasted like this.
Now by force to chop the pepper soup. Sure. You cook pepper soup. Come on, I don't want to chop now. You go chop palm now. I don't want to chop pepper soup. Not very sad. Are you coming inside? Because I was actually going out too.
You just broke my heart again. Like, because, shit. Fuck off.
I didn't come make you the verse now. You bring pepper soup. I say I don't want to chop pepper soup. Now I call the make you the verse. You get with you another thing where you put for the pepper soup.
There's something.
Like carry your pepper soup. Go shop. Sure? You play some more Peller.
Oh, what a lovely country. Nigeria.
When you employ new.
So, what's your name?
My name is Igonga Ibanga Baltazar.
What kind of name is that? Where are you from?
I'm from Equatorial Guinea, sir. I used to be a government official in my country, but I had to leave my country to come down to Nigeria because of some few issues that came up. I had to leave everything behind to start a new life here in Nigeria. My phone is ringing.
Yeah.
Please don't let this person disturb our conversation.
Hey, I hope everything is okay. Just take a call, okay?
No. That's my brother's pregnant wife. I don't know why she's disturbing me. She's one of the many reasons why I had to leave Guinea Equatorial to come and start a new life in Nigeria, please. Don't let her disturb my peace. Sorry, sir, can I ask you a question?
Alright, feel free.
Are you the only one living in this big building?
Oh no, I'm a married man, okay? I have my wife and my 4 daughters. They are all coming back tonight. What's wrong? Are you okay?
You cannot understand. Nigeria weather is very, very cold.
But the weather is very hot, bro. What are you talking about?
Oh, no. I know what I'm talking about. Equatorial Guinea is not like this.
Okay. Alright, you say so. So come, let me show you your room where you'll be staying for now.
Oh, my room?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Let me see your toilet first. Is it big?
What do you want to do in the toilet so that you can relax?
Down! Go down! Down! Hey, what do you have in this house? Bring whatever you have. You say what? Bring whatever you have. What do you have in this house? Money and no get. You don't have money. Life or no get. Bring whatever you have in this house. Hey, my friend. Take my life. Leave the bread. Take your life. Nonsense. Guys, let's move.
Because you know that your spirit will come and collect this thing. You know that your spirit will come and collect it. That's why you wanted to take your life. But how are you going to eat the bread and beans? Is your spirit in?
What's the problem, bro? Hello, what me buy? Oh, obviously, no.
Modana. Amy.
How
are you?
Yo.
Mama, I'm a popular person.
I can see.
Can you me say can't you fellow? Can't be 2 hours? Can say pa.
Oh, quickie.
No. I need can't sáré lọ.
Quickie long pe. Pa keyo. Pa keyo kúrò. Ó ti yé mi. 50K.
Me gbọ́.
50,000. Lórí.
Lórí pé mo fẹ́ sáré lọ, mo fẹ́.
Pa.
Ká wọlé ká jáde. Me sọ pé kó bímọ fún mi.
He shock you. Just like that. I didn't ask you that you are going to give birth to anybody from you. This one you are refusing that amount. Well, thank you guys for watching this comedy compilation video, and I really appreciate every one of you that stick around till this extent. So guys, what is your favorite moment in this comedy compilation? On today's video, like today, I'm going to be emphasizing, like doing some kind of review on some funny parts that you might not be aware of in this video. All right guys, let's quickly go. But before we go, please, if you've not subscribed, subscribe, turn on post notification bell icon, and like, share this video to all social media platforms. Don't forget to comment. What do you think about this Rukky's comedy? Like, I actually love the girl. Rukky actually used a very beautiful girl, lady in this comedy. Like, look at the girl, very beautiful, everything front and back, everything. But there was one thing that just shining my. I don't want to say it to so many people not come at me and be saying that Crity React yourself. All right guys, how can you prepare pepper soup? Is it because a 16-year-old lady or a 16-year-old girl buys somebody with pepper soup? Is that why everybody wants to be using pepper soup to start buying people? Like, I don't understand. I do not understand. If you want to buy somebody, buy them and stop using pepper soup. Must you use the raining thing? This is obvious that this girl actually prepared something to come and buy Rukky. And who knows what Rukky did to her that made them separated? Nobody know. Maybe Rukky might have collected that wig, collected his wig, collected everything he bought for her during the breakup, all this kind of thing. And the girl just have a thought like, I'm coming back to buy this guy. I must prepare pepper soup. Okay, where the girl actually F up is where she prepared pepper soup. She's not actually going to prepare pepper soup because everybody knows pepper soup update. What do you think? So she should have just prepared something else. Maybe Rukky would have eaten that thing. But right now, Rukky have some clue about all this thing, and he decided not to eat. And the girl was like angry. How can you be angry if I don't want to eat something? You should have just eat it and let's be friends back. I know it, you know it. You verse go. You're not even concerned. You're not even care about the reconciliation anymore. That means you come to do me something. You have come to do me something. Wait, please, what is this? What is this? After that, what is this? Please don't tell me you have watched that video. Don't tell me you have watched that video. If I hear, look, I've not seen the video. I've been seeing some kind of pictures, like a video that was screenshotted, all this kind of thing on social media, and a man named Ibang, something, Equatorial Guinea man, and I don't really know what happened. Please, is it? Don't tell me you have watched that video. Like, don't tell me. Not be my mouth in one thing. I don't really know. Look at Wasiu emulating this thing. Wasiu heard they have 4 daughters, and he began to what? And he started asking if the toilet is big. Why did he need the toilet to be big? Like, what for? What for? I don't know, but I don't understand that comment. Just needing toilet to be big. Is it that you're too fat, or your people cannot size it, or what? I don't understand. And look at this other guy. This man, I've forgotten his name. He actually emulated that thing, right? That man, next time, if he's free from this one, he will never make any mistake of recording. Why? He will never make that mistake again. Just like us late. These people will never, if they want to knock, they will just knock without recording. Because if you record one good day, when you don't repent, when you don't start to do decent thing, you just see the tape outside. It might be exposed by your friends, might be exposed by your enemies, you know. And which man you want to talk, say, now old video. Now you there, be no be you, now you. So it's very bad, it's very sad, and I really feel for this man actually, especially the wife. You know, seeing her husband's naki video everywhere, and they have children. Like, and this man is a prominent man, like a very popular man in Equatorial Guinea. I think is a government official and all that. And look at what he's passing through. And the man even have the guts to say that he's not the one in that video. Like, it was a tailored, like the doctored video. I don't really understand. How can you say the join is no, now this video is you. Just accept the fact and stop claiming that you're not the one. Your enemies are trying to like do you all this. No, that is you, Ibang. You are the man. Just accept and apologize. I think we'll know where it come from. We'll know where we can tackle it from. Instead of you, you know, bringing out more content from it. You know, I feel for the wife. Honestly, I feel for the wife. I really feel for the wife. And look at this comedy, Nasty Blaq. Nasty Blaq has already went to hell. He went to heaven. Let me say, he died and went to heaven. And sees everything. Like, he actually discovered that those people gymming, those people like who build their muscle, they are not actually going to make heaven. And he came back to life. You're telling him to gym. And that my guy go prepare different kind of delicacy, different kind of chop to make sure he gets fat. In case he buy, go heaven straight. Very interesting and hilarious. Like Nasty Blaq, I don't know if you noticed Nasty Blaq shooting comedy back to back this time. Like he's not even like he did not come back to back. I love it, and I actually love Shopofo, Odin and Rennie. That is hilarious from Shopofo and Wasiu. I think the comedy belongs to Wasiu. But anyhow, Shopofo actually represents them. They actually represent. Thank you guys. I think we've come to the end of this comedy compilation. If you enjoyed this comedy, don't forget to subscribe if you've not. And also like and share this video to all your social media platforms. Make sure you comment as well. Alright guys, let's see you on our next comedy compilation. Stay tuned. Don't touch the dial. Keep watching Crity React. Have a wonderful time. Bye-bye.